Hello, everybody. Here we are again with one topic more for this Saturday, and we are going to check the part now about superlatives. You already checked the part about comparatives, okay? Let's check a little bit. For example, if you remember, we have two different objects when we speak about a comparative, which is what you have in black. For example, Facebook is better than Twitter. I'm comparing Facebook with Twitter. To me, Facebook is better than Twitter. Okay? Or the other, WhatsApp is more useful than Facebook. Okay, again, WhatsApp versus Facebook. I'm comparing this. Okay. In the first one, I have better, which is a short adjective. That's why you have er, and it is irregular. The command is good, it changed into better. And the second, you have more useful, because useful, it has two syllables. Useful. Okay, so you have to add more at the beginning. A normal comparative, as you could check in the first video of this class. If you have problems or doubts, you can go to the first video again, check the rules, check the topic, and if you are okay, you can continue here. Okay, so it was about comparatives. But now you have the blue part with red, which is the superlative part. Okay, so yeah, Facebook is better than Twitter, WhatsApp is more useful than Facebook, but Instagram, now my god, Instagram is the best social network. Okay, why? Because Instagram is the most popular in the world. Okay, you are checking that part. In the first one, in black, you compare two parts: Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook. In the next part, in superlative in blue, what you have is one that is, oh my god, the super powerful in the world. Okay, in this case, I am talking about social networks. But you can change it, okay? The same than countries, the same than musicians, singers, whatever. You are emphasizing one that it's, oh my god, it's the god of the social networks, okay? In this case, I said Instagram. Okay, it's for example in this part. No, I decided to write different stars. Okay, for example in the first one, no, Facebook is better than Twitter. Okay, Twitter 1 star, Facebook 2 stars, because it's better. But now you have WhatsApp versus Facebook, and it says WhatsApp is more useful than Facebook. So sorry Facebook, you 2 stars, but WhatsApp 3 stars. Okay, no, but wait, because now you have Instagram is the best social network. So 1 star? No. 2 stars? No, not even 3 stars. 5 stars, because it's Instagram. Okay, it's the best social network. Or in the second, Instagram is the most popular in the world. Okay, so there is something more than Instagram? No. You can go to your life saying, I have no Facebook, I have no Twitter, but Instagram, no. You need Instagram in your life. Okay? That's the idea, the main idea of this, the importance in this one. That's why the name is superlative, because it's the super in the world. Okay? That's the difference. And superlative, you don't compare. You don't compare one with other. No, it's the most amazing. Okay? And as you have in the different forms to create your adjectives and comparative, here you have also different rules. For example, here I decided to write a chart, okay, with the normal adjective, the comparative, and superlative. For example, cheap, cheaper, the cheapest, sweet, sweeter, the sweetest, thin, thinner, the thinnest, or big, bigger, the biggest. If you check, it's the same. You have here in this one syllable adjectives, like cheap and sweet, as we already checked. In comparative, you use er, but now in superlative, you add est. Okay, cheapest, sweetest. Okay, and the most important part here is that you have the. Okay, you can omit it. If we return to the other picture, in the first part, the structure it was object 1, verb be, your adjective, then, and your object 2. Now when we speak about those superlative, you have your object 1, the amazing object 1, your verb be, the, and then your adjective, best or most popular or something, no? But I mean, it doesn't matter if it's short or if it's long, the is obviously it's necessary. Okay, so object, verb be, the, adjective, and your complement. Okay, that's why in your chart you have it the normal adjective, the comparative with er, and the superlative with east, but never forgetting the. Okay, and like in comparative, when you have consonant vowel consonant in one syllable adjectives, you have to double the consonant. Okay, like in thinner, thinner, the same, the thinnest, thinnest. Sorry, est. Aha. And the same with big. Big, bigger, bigger, biggest, biggest. Okay, double. So that's for our group number 1. For our group number 2, it was the one with the Y. It's the same. Lucky, luckier, the luckiest. Pretty, prettier, the prettiest. The same. We had the Y, we are omitting the Y, and we have now IEST. And never forgetting the. Not luckiest, the luckiest. Not prettiest, the prettiest. Okay? In our other group, it was with ed, ing, full or less, is the same. Now that you have more than 2 syllables adjectives, you have to use, like in comparative, more, in superlative, the most. Okay? Worried, more worried, the most worried. Boring, more boring, the most boring. Careful, more careful, the most careful. Useless, more useless, the most useless. Okay, so here you have a chart where you can see how do you form different adjectives in comparative and in superlative. Okay, please try to repeat the different charts. Say more worried, the most worried, no, most. Okay, like in a really good level of English. You are almost intermediate, so you have to show that you have the level to be an intermediate. Okay, and yeah, of course, I was missing that part, the irregulars. We thought that it was really beautiful. No, we have irregulars, obviously, like in comparative. Okay, here we have the regulars. The same, just 3. Okay, good news, just 3. So you have good, now better, and the superlative, the best. Or you have bad, worse, and the superlative, the worst. Far, further, and the superlative, the furthest. Okay, so please remember the different structures, remember how do you form it, and try to use it as natural as possible. Okay, please. If you have any problem, the same, you have to remember that I am here until 1 p.m. to help you if you have a doubt. Okay, so in this case, I have already sent you the information about comparatives, exercises, and homework. Haven't has got with exercises in your books, in workbook and student's book. And now in this one about superlatives, I need you please to help me answering your student's book on page 72 and page 73. Okay, Students Book 72 and 73. It's where you have to use your superlatives, okay, and comparative, okay? You have to use both. That's where you maybe have doubts. So if you have it, ask me, please. Okay, that's in the part of your Students Book. And in your workbook, I need you to answer, please, 57. Page 57 of your Students Book. Sorry, of your workbook. Workbook 57. Okay, so even if I told you here, I'm gonna write the homework, sorry, the work class and the platform of Google Classroom. Remember, this is for today.